I pass the objection. I'm in the closing module
Mm-hmm.
that you have. And then with the monetization, if I say like, hey, retention is costing you this much, right?
Mm-hmm.
I can monetize how much retention is costing them. But if they don't think that benefits are going to solve 100% of that problem,
Mm-hmm.
in the monetization, wouldn't it be much more effective if I just say, how much of a difference do you think would happen if you had if you had your ideal benefits? And then that
Yes.
gap is the real monetization, not just like you have this much retention problem.
Absolutely. Like I would rather, if I was meeting with Chelsea, I would rather her say, hey, we lose 50 people a year or whatever it is, right? And if we could solve that, even though I feel passionate that we could save 25 of the 50, if Chelsea says, man, I think we'd probably save about 5, right? Why 5? And then just out of curiosity, what does it cost you to hire somebody, right? What does it cost you to fill in the gaps when that person's not? Now I can start painting the picture with the number 5. But I rather work with the number that came out of my client or my prospect's mouth than my number. Even though I have a black belt in this and I know that number is a lot more than 5, which by the way, I'll give you permission to say that. Hey, listen, right? Like we're going to go off of your number, which is 5. I live and breathe this stuff. It's embarrassing how much I fixate on this. My number in my head, I'm not even going to share it with you because I want to stay focused on your number. Let's just say it's multiples of the 5, but I'm confident in your analysis of the 5. I stand by that absolutely 1,000%, right? We're going to help you with that 5. Based on everything you're telling me in terms of replacement costs, in terms of this, in terms of that, if we can save that 5, which we will, we're going to be able to affect top line by X. Does it make sense to move forward? Right?
Perfect.
Yeah. So we want to focus on their when we're and you bring up a great mistake that we all make, Sam, in monetization. And people say, "Oh, I monetized the deal." No, you didn't. You called and said, hey, if you use our software, if you hire me as your recruiter, if you use my logistics, your company will save X. That's not monetization. That's a sales pitch, right? And whether you're right or not, prospect's not listening to you. But to your point, Sam, when you go, if you were able to not close the facilities when we're moving the warehouse, if you were able to keep those open, how much could that save you, per month? Well, I mean, they wouldn't be open for a month. Well, how much does the facilities make per month? Well, I mean, they're each bringing in about 1.7 million per month. And how long do you see this project taking? Well, we think we can get it done in a week. You know it can't be done in a week, right? Well, let's just say, for every week then, if it's 1.7 million, just off the top of my head, what is that, guys? 300 something X thousand per week, right? Like based on what you're telling me, if we can prevent with this move, if we can prevent the facilities closing and we can do the move in the evening hours, that's 300,000 a week, right? And now I'm monetizing around 300,000 when I know that they would be out more like the entire month, but I'm not going to argue with them over that because I'm going to monetize on what they said, if that makes sense. So yes, always ask them, what do you think? And by the way, if you're asking people numbers and they're like, I don't know, I'm going to give you guys a really good little, I'll call it a trick. It's not a trick, but like if I ask Mike, hey, what do you think that's costing you? And Mike goes, I don't know. Right? What I don't want to do is go, well, I do, because I do this all day. It's costing you X. I'm going to double down. I'm going to go, if you had to guess, what do you think it would be? And Mike is going to give me a number, right? And we're going to work off of that number. It makes sense that way. If you had to guess, what do you think it would be? Right? And work off of the number that they gave you, if that makes sense, Sam.
Okay. Perfect.
Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're going to love this. I'm going to teach you how to close right here, right now. I'm going to cover all the costs for you. We're going to get you the closing mini masterclass. I pick up all the costs. It's free to you. I'll cover the $299. Click the link in my bio. You're going to get access to the class. It's going to show you how to close anyone, anytime, without being pushy or manipulative. Your life is about to change. We're about to become best friends. Click the link in my bio. I'll cover the cost for you to learn how to close.